Do you hate the idea of salads because you think I'm so busy, I don't have time? Well, I'm here to challenge that notion with the fastest salad dressing recipe. It's less than 30 seconds, delicious and nutritious. Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health coach. Nice to meet y'all. Thanks so much for stopping by. I make videos for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits, and cooking at home is a step in the right direction. By the end of this video, you'll have a yummy 30-second salad, so watch all the way through for tips and health benefits. Before I set this timer, I want to show you guys what allows us to save so much time. Number one is our mixed greens in this clamshell. It's been pre-washed and also in a good size so we don't have to wash or cut them. Second is our organic vinaigrette from Bragg's, so we don't have to make our own dressing. And the bonus here is that the first ingredient is with organic extra virgin olive oil, and that's very different from other store brands that have canola oil, vinaigrette, and water as their first ingredient. Of course, if you have leftover homemade dressing from the salad dressing recipe series, you're good to go. If you're curious about those recipes, click on the link above or in the description below for the playlist. And lastly, we have our trail mix. As you can see, the nuts have been peeled, so has the seeds, and probably roasted, and the fruit has been dried. So you don't have to, and this adds a lot of flavor and texture to our salad. All right, guys, setting this timer for 30 seconds. "30. 2 cups of greens. Looks good. In the bowl. Okay. Tablespoon of trail mix, heaping, that's fine. And a tablespoon of this vinaigrette. Voila. Toss. And time. Less than 30 seconds. Absolutely no shame in using the mixing bowl as your salad bowl. I love that crunch. It works really well with them. Salad dressing, please give it a try. I can eat bowls of this, and I might have to. Now about the health benefits. A serving of these greens reduces your risk for cardiovascular disease by 4%, according to a study by Wang et al. Mixed greens are awesome for your helpful gut bacteria. It contains a unique carbohydrate that is their favorite thing to eat, and when they are fed with this stuff, they thrive and multiply and crowd out the harmful bacteria. That's according to the Canadian Digestive Health Foundation. Lastly, mixed greens are nutrient dense and low calorie density. So check out the nutrient breakdown of each of the greens on Harvard Health's Salad Greens by the Numbers chart. I added the link in the description below. This recipe is super fast and easy. Remember, work smart, not hard, right? So go ahead and have fun with it, time yourself, and let me know how you end up doing in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it. And if you have, thank y'all so much. This is the last video of 2021, and I want to wish you guys a happy new year. And I am moving my video publish dates from Wednesdays to Thursdays. So see you next year. And until then, remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.